Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Cemu black screen issue. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to the description box below and download this particular patch file for Cemu, which you can click on download, and the download will start shortly. So just simply download the file, save to location, then a zip file will be downloaded. So I will not be downloading because I already have that. So I will just simply close it and close the browser. Now after you have downloaded the file, it will look something like this. It is a Cemu patch. So all you have to do is firstly open your Cemu folder, double click on your zip file, and one more thing, in order to open the zip file you will need to have a extractor like 7-zip or WinRAR or anything like that. So if you don't have that, go onto the internet and download it. Now after you open the patch file, again open the patch file. Now over here what you have to do is just simply copy the entire content over here and drag it onto the original Cemu location. Then choose replace the file location. After it's done, just simply refresh it. Then right click on your Cemu, properties, then compatibility. Then make sure to run this program as administrator, and over here in the compatibility mode click on this checkbox. Then choose the latest window available for you. It might be 11, it might be 10. For me it's 8, so I'll just simply choose 8. So after choosing that window, click apply, okay. Then just simply start your Cemu, then click on yes. Now just simply load your game, then just simply double click on your game. So after doing that, the game should start, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.